Yeah, hi team. Good morning, everyone. So let us start our session. So let me quickly brief about the session what I have discussed in the last session. So here we are going to be talking about React.js and React.js full stack with one real-time project. So here we are going to be learn about coding and the design part. Okay, the coding is the JavaScript, React.js, JSX, and the Redux. That is from the Monday to Friday. So design part will fully focusing on the Saturday session. Okay, so that is our target. So if people are interested, right, we'll create a Git repository. There you can able to use the add your code. We'll form a group that I will inform. Okay. Next, if you want to become a full stack developer, you require to know about the Node and Express.js and MongoDB. Then you will become a full stack. Okay. Next, what are the softwares are required? If I want to be work with React.js, I need to install a few softwares. So your Windows machine better to have the Windows 10 or 11 with SSD. Okay, HDD little slow. Next, as a part of the React.js, we need to install these four softwares. The first one is the Node.js is required. Sir, from where we need to be download? Here is the link from this node. Hope you all are done installation, right? So if not yet, please do the install by today. If you are facing any problem, please let me know. Next, you need to install the Visual Studio Code. Okay, next we need to be create the React app. If it is the MongoDB, then we need to be install MongoDB. So let us please take the notes. Okay.
Krishna,
So next,
hello.
yeah, Mune.
Yeah, I have a doubt regarding that Node.js installation.
Okay.
It's completely taking in my command prompt.
Okay. So end of
I
the
don't.
session, please wait. We will see it. Okay.
Yeah, sure.
Okay. So next we have seen about some code sandbox also. Okay. How to perform API call and where simply binded the data. Simple example we have seen. Okay. So please start taking the notes also. Okay. So please take a heading. Node.js. What is the Node.js? Node.js is a JavaScript runtime environment. It will be run your JavaScript applications. For example, you are using the Java, right? You are having the Java runtime environment. .NET, C Sharp, MVC, ASP. For that one, we are having the .NET runtime. So for the JavaScript also, do you have any runtime means? Yes. Node.js is the JavaScript runtime environment. I mean, it will be Node.js, compile, build, and run JavaScript applications. Okay, this Node.js will be build, compile, and run our JavaScript applications. Okay, next, our Node.js is a framework to develop server-side application using JavaScript. Okay, so Node.js helps you to develop server-side application using JavaScript. Okay, sir, if it is server-side application, please take a three-tier architecture. Please take a three-tier architecture. Sir, what is this mean by three-tier architecture? If you want to develop any software application, first you require a plan or not. Even if you want to construct a home also, you require a plan or not. If you want to start any new business also, you require a plan. So for that, if you want to develop a web application, mobile application, gaming application, even artificial intelligence, okay, machine learning, any kind of the things, so you required a plan. So nowadays, all software applications are following the three-tier architecture. Okay, it is the web or mobile, whatever it is. So here, first user interface will be there. User interface. In the user interface, you are having HTML, CSS, JavaScript. So now we are going to be use ReactJS. This is called front end. User interface, front end. Okay. So if you have any questions in meantime also, please let me notice. Okay, I will explain. Next, server side. Okay, this is nothing but a middleware. Okay, server side or middleware. So what are there in the server side or middleware? .NET, Java, Python, okay, Node.js, etc. Okay. Next, database. So if you are attending a ReactJS interview, they will ask what middleware you are using. Okay, what server side you are using. Okay, so at the time, simply our server is the Java server. They are going to provide a APIs. Then they will not ask any questions. Okay, no need to worry. But you need to be tell about them. Java or .NET Python. Sir, I'm going to with experience, keeping some experience at the time. What can I say? Simply say like a Java APIs. Okay, they will not come and see your project. In the database, Oracle, MS SQL, MySQL, our Mongo DB, nothing but a no DB. So this is the flow. The request will be go. Done. Okay. So user will be give a requested. So then the requested will be go to the specific domain. Sir, for example, Munir develop an application. Okay, Munir by own himself, his develop an application. Okay, so he has to be host somewhere else, either GoDaddy. Okay, different platforms are there, digital oceans, air Firebase. Okay, first the request will be go to that specific website. In that website, it will be go to the user interface. From the user interface, API will be called. From the API, database will be called. And getting the data, these files will be downloaded to your system. Okay. Clear? Okay. So Santosh, I'm just giving the notes. So please have a notes. So just we started. Everybody's clear what is the three-tier architecture? All the applications are following the three-tier architecture. Okay. Even if you want to develop a mobile application also. So in
Okay.
this three-tier architecture, where this node will be here, the node will be From ReactJS, the node is there. Next node, we are using the server also. As a part of ReactJS, which one is the scripting language we are using? JavaScript. So everyone, please take a heading, JavaScript. Please focus on this JavaScript. Nowadays, if you're perfect on this JavaScript, right? But nobody not at all 100% perfect on JavaScript. That much of logics in depth is there. But if you are perfect, at least 60% is enough you to be get the very good package, you to be survive in the industry. Okay. So what is this JavaScript? JavaScript is a dynamically typed light weight scripting language. Our JavaScript is a dynamically typed lightweight scripting language. Our ReactJS using JavaScript as a scripting language to develop web applications. Okay, so as a part of the React.js, so nowadays React are using the TypeScript also. Yes, TypeScript also developed from the JavaScript only. Okay, so TypeScript is a superset of JavaScript. Only the difference is the data type. That's it. Okay, sir, what type of the data type? If you're interested, let me know. I will explain you. So how this data type will be vary. So now our JavaScript contains what? JavaScript contains, so before going to start a program, we should be know what our JavaScript contains. JavaScript contains a comments. The first one is the comments. Next one is the data types. First one is the comments. You need to be write a comment, right? Next one is the data types. Next one is functions. Functions. Next one is the statements. We're having the different types of statements. Conditional statements, looping statements, timers, storages, etc. Lot of things are there. Okay, so comments, data types, functions, statements, etc. Oh, sorry, class, etc. Sir, what is this mean by comment? Okay, so comment in the sense, for example, so I don't want to write a code. So see here, we have written some code na. So I want to be comment, not this comment. Okay, comment in the sense you are going to be comment a code, not this is the comment. Okay, so comments are in the real time, you should be used in a different case. Okay, so what is the comment in the sense? In a JavaScript, comment will explain about your code and task. Okay, so tomorrow you are going to be work on a certain task or not. So you should be give your comment, okay, on the top of the task. So for example, we are performing API call here. Okay, so in JavaScript, comment will explain about your code and task. See here. So what is my requirement here? So tomorrow I am on a leave. I am also a developer. So tomorrow I am on a leave. Now Santosh is going to be work. Okay, Santosh, you are going to be work. So what Santosh has to be do? So here the requirement is along with username ID, we need to be add a email also. Then Santosh has to become and check this program. Okay. So what he will do, he will go through each and every line. He will understand, okay, here we need to be changed. If it is a 20, but 200 lines of code. So there it was little tricky, right? So we need to write some comment. Okay. So like this, my task item number 126. Okay. You are going to get a task ID in a company from a project. Okay. Or else your Jira ID, whatever it is, the format. Okay. 126. Build HTML code to return username and ID. So Santosh able to see this ID, right? So now he can able to easily add email. So he can able to, oh, here is the 126. Now he will go to that specific Jira item, whatever it is. So he will explore that 126. He will go through the document. So here build HTML code to return username and ID. So next, comma email. He will add this one. So simply colon item dot email, whatever the requirement, easy to add. Okay, comment in the sense it is not about to comment. Have a point in this your mind. Okay, so you should be explain what your code. Okay, see here. What we are performing here. Calling API and get data to bind to UI. Again here also some task name. Okay, it is the 125. So like this, we must add a comments. Are you clear, everyone? So every day, each and every point, let it be clear and we'll go to the next. Any questions? Okay. So how many types of comments are there? Anybody? How many types?
Single line comment and multiple line comment.
So there are two types. Okay. So inline or single line. Inline or a single line comment. So if you want to comment only one line is called inline. How to represent? Slash to slash. Next, multi-line comment. Okay, multi-line comment. How to represent? Slash asterisk. You are going to be write some comment asterisk slash. For single line comment, if you want to take, you can able to take this one. Okay, I will show you in the code editor. So already here we are having the code now. So just to take it. So as a human and as a developer, always we are trying to forget write a comment of our code block and we are jumping. For example, you are writing a one code block. So how many lines of code is preferred? Anybody? For example, if you take a one logical unit, if you are taking one function, so is there any recommended? So minimum 10, maximum 10 lines. It can be 12 lines. So it should not be more than that one. If it is more than that one, you should be split to another unit. Okay. So these type of the rules and regulations I will tell you. Okay. Whenever the functions in. So there is a World Web Community recommendation. Okay. So you should be follow some programming rules and regulations. Sir, multi-line comments. So basically, we are not going to write a multi-line. Okay, for example, you want to be write like this: slash asterisk. Okay, see here. Okay, Jira colon. This is my Jira item. Okay, so let me finish asterisk slash. So next name. So I have developed, right? So let me say VKC. So next date. So sometimes I mean code a part of we are not going to write this type of comments. Sometimes we require to write. Okay, so date when we are developed. So 21/02/2023. Okay. So like this, if you want to write a comment of your code when it was developed, for example, tomorrow Santosh is working na. So modify. So modified by name Santosh. Got it, Santosh? So when he modified, for example, yesterday I worked on the 20. So now you are going to be work date. So 21/02/2023. So what you are going to be modify? Description, adding email. Adding email. Okay, you are going to adding email in a result. Okay. So you are going to be add a email. So like this, you need to be write a multi-line comment. Okay. But for the JavaScript pages, we are not going to be write in the SQL database, right? There we are going to be write this type of the comments. So in the JavaScript, once you are checking the code, already the check-ins will be there. We can able to see the history. Who have check-in? What is the reason purpose? Clear? If you want to write such a comment, so we can able to write it. Everybody clear how to use these comments in the real time? Okay, but can I have to write each and every point? No. For example, here performing API, here creating a variable, it is not required. Okay, more than 3 or 4 lines, you can able to write a comment if it is a logical unit. Okay, for example, here creating a variable, here creating a users, here importing. So no need to write. Write wherever it is required. So it is required for a logic, not in all the cases. Okay. So next, let us create our ReactJS application. Okay. So let us create. So please choose some path. Okay. So let me. So first, if you want to create ReactJS application, what and all you need to. So in the ReactJS application, we'll use the data types. Setup ReactJS application. Sir, you are directly starting ReactJS application. So here the major point we need to be know the ReactJS. Okay, next ReactJS is a platform you to be develop a JavaScript application. Clear? Okay, so we need to be complete the setup. So ReactJS is the platform you are going to be develop a JavaScript application. Ultimately, ReactJS using the JavaScript only. So first setup. In the first setup, step number 1, create a folder. Sir, where to be create other than C? Create a folder. For example, examples or something. Okay, so see here I'm having the something Marna batch. Okay, something like this, create a dedicated folder. Okay, so batch one, or else let me add like a folder is the examples. So folder is created. Next, go to the folder address bar. So this is called address bar. Go to the folder address bar, type CMD. Type CMD. Please type CMD. CMD. It will open command prompt. It will open command prompt. Types repeat. It will open command prompt. Okay. So now the command prompt is open. So what I need to be do next? So yesterday we installed the Node.js. Node.js is providing some commands. So what and all that commands? npx create hyphen react hyphen app. So here you need to be create a React application sample app. Okay, npx space create React space sample app. You can able to give any the name. Okay, example one, whatever you want, you can able to give. But don't give example space one, it is not a correct. Example space app, it is not a correct. Okay, simple. So what is the command? Everyone, can you please pronounce it the command? npx space. Everyone, can you please unmute yourself?
npx space
npx space. Everyone. Yes.
create React app space the command
Project name.
project name. Sorry.
Okay. So everyone, can you please pronounce it? Okay. If you're able to pronounce it, half of the revision will be completed. So, okay. Try to be in interactive state. Okay. So here, please take a note. Note. When we install Node.js, then npm. What is mean by npm? Node package manager and npx node package extension will be added to the system, your computer system. So whenever we are adding the or installing the Node.js, right, npm node package manager, npx node package extensions will be added to the system. So now tell me how to check a node version. Open command prompt. Nagaraju, Navi, any one of you, how to check the node version in your computer mission? Node space -v. So next, how to check npm version? npm space -v. See here. So these two will be give you the node space -v will be give that node specific version. npm space -v will be give the npm specific version. Okay. Sir, what is this npm and npx? npm and npx are the commands to add libraries or create or build and run JavaScript applications. Okay, so npm and they will ask a question. So simply say like, so npm is the node pack np. So npm means node package manager, npx node package extension. No. So you need to be tell like npm is npm stands for node package manager. So it is the command provided by the Node.js to add a library, or it will be create, build and run JavaScript applications. Okay. So npm stands for node package manager. It is provided by the Node.js to add, create, build and run your JavaScript application. This should be your answer. Okay, so npx will be used only for creating the ReactJS application. Okay, not in any other cases. npx used to create ReactJS application. We are going to create a ReactJS application. That's it. Okay, using npm also we can create, npx also we can create. Okay, if you are using the Windows 7, right, use npm. Okay, Windows 11 use npx. Only for creating the ReactJS application, no other places. Okay, see here. Okay, we run the command. Where is our command? So npx, everyone able to see? See, npx create a React app. Okay, see here, it got installed something. So it is added something to me. So finally, project is created. It is saying happy hacking. Happy hacking in the sense you are going to be start. Okay. So now you are just created here, right? We suggested that you to begin by typing, see here, cd space example one. Cd space, what is mean by cd space example one? Copy directory. Okay. So cd for the copy directory. Currently you are in the example, examples. So your project in under the example one. Okay. So press enter. So now the path is examples slash example. So next it is saying about use npm start. Okay, sir, what is mean by start? See here, npm start starts the development server. Npm run build npm test, some commands are there. We'll discuss all these commands. Now, which is the command to run a React.js application? Npm start. Okay, sir, for example, my command prompt was closed. Now how to do it? Nothing. If it is closed, it now. So again, open this folder, go to the address bar, type cmd. I will give you the notes. So now the requirement is run a React.js application. How to run it? Open a project or application. Go to the address bar, type cmd. So simply type cmd. Okay, it will open command prompt. Okay, so it will be open the command prompt. See here. So sorry, this is your project. No, now examples one is your project. Okay. So today I will share you the recording also from today onwards. If you have missed any point, you can able to get it from there. Okay. Now what is the command to run? Type npm space start. Okay. So yesterday we were running some projects. Now let me close all those. Some command prompts are running. Let me close. Better to close all the command prompts. Now only one command prompt. Okay. Now press enter. But don't be close this one. Whenever this command prompt running, then only you can able to see your application. Other than nothing. So what is the command? Npm start. So what this command will do? This command will build and run a React.js application. Sir, not only React.js. Maybe you heard about Node.js, Vue.js, and sorry, Angular, right? Angular, Vue.js, right? So those also will be run by the npm start only. But here the context is React.js. That's what I'm saying. So this command used to run ReactJS application. Okay, see here. Started. Webpack compiled successfully. It is working on this port. Loaded or not? Yes. If you want to click, it will be navigate to the React official website. To learn about the ReactJS, any technology, better to go for the official websites. Okay, don't go for the normal tutorials. But even those are the fine, but there can be chance of some mistake and older code will be there. Okay, here you are having the nice document. Okay, try React, learn, start all these things. Okay, but here I am there, right, to explain you. Now this is the React.js application is running. Okay, so everybody clear up to here? Any questions? Nagaraju, Naveen, Sai, Santosh, Munir.
Yeah, sir.
Can
One
I
more
go
time.
next?
Can you one more time? Can you tell me that how can we get to React platform?
How to be run?
Yeah.
So let me explain you how to run. So let me close this browser window also. So go to the command prompt. Sorry. First you need to open the command prompt.
Okay.
Go to this is your application, right? Example one your project. So go to the address bar, type cmd. It will open a command prompt.
Okay.
Okay. For example, anybody having the habit of opening the command prompt, here you need to be go for which e colon like this you can able to go it. Okay, which my folder is the d colon. So like this you need to be go copy directory. So better you can able to use this one. Okay, go to the address bar. So now a command prompt is open. What is the command? npm start.
Start.
Simply press npm start. So this npm start will start your first it will be build and run your
Yeah, sir. For
React.js
the
application.
sir, for Windows 11, we can use the NPX.
No, npm only. In my also Windows 11. That's what I'm saying here. The point, right?
Oh.
So npx used to create only, not any other
Okay.
purpose, just for the creating.
Okay.
Okay, for the Windows 11, the Node.js, the latest version, they are saying about use the npx just for the creating. Okay, other than the creating, npx will not become. Okay, just for creating.
Okay.
Okay, so all the cases we need to use npm start only, npm command only. Okay, all the cases we need to use npm. Now it is running. Okay, so now how to open my project in the Visual Studio. Okay, so let me launch a Visual Studio Code. Okay, see here, I'm just opening the Visual Studio Code. So in meantime, if you have any question also, you can able to raise like that. Okay, I don't have any issue. Everyone able to see the file here? Open folder, file, open folder. Okay, sir, where we created? Examples, example one. This is my project, na? Let me select a folder. Your project is opened. Okay, your project is open. So here you can able to see different folders. Go to the app.js. Here you can able to see some code, right? Okay, so learn React. So at that place you can able to add your name. Okay, just add your name. Save it. That's it. You don't need to do anything. So automatically it will be compiled. Okay, which file you need to be open? app.js. Okay, so again automatically it will be compiled. Able to see the VKC trainings? So yes, the name was changed here. That's it. Okay. So how to select a folder? App in a VS Code. So open. First you need to be open a VS Code. Okay. Where to be go? Go to the file. Select folder. Here you need to be select your project. It will open the project. Now go to the app.js, add add some content. Okay, add some content, it will be, and save it. Save that file. If you're adding, nothing will become. And save that file. Okay, that's it. Open, just open, go to the app.js, add some content, save that file. So just open. Once you are opening the folder, let me show you. File, open folder, examples one. So select a folder. Okay, it is open. Expand this one. Go to app.js. Here simply add your name, whatever you want, some content, some headers, footers. Okay. Any questions? Imran, Nagaraju, Naveen, Sai, Santosh, Munir, Basha. Okay. So let it be short today. Okay. So members are still joined by the tomorrow also. So let us see what I have discussed in today's session. So every day I'm going to give some interview questions. Okay. So please be prepared every day. From the day one itself, be preparation, be regular. Okay. If you're not able to attend the session also, at that time I will give the recording, no need to worry. So just so complete the topic same day. You should be clear. First, what we have discussed. What is Node.js? Node.js is the JavaScript runtime environment to build a JavaScript server-side applications. Okay, I have given some notes. What is NPM and NPX? Okay. Next, what is a JavaScript? What JavaScript contains? Next, why using comments and explain types, how to run a ReactJS application. Okay, you can able to add how to create and run a ReactJS application. Okay, all these questions either front or back side of keep separate notes. Okay, there you can able to write all these things either with answers or answers you can able to write separate. So for example, currently you are in a project, after 1 year you want to be switch, simply come in the questions and you can able to revise the subject instead of go to the Google or somewhere else. So just you revise first here. Okay, even you can able to add what is Visual Studio Code. Visual Studio Code is an IDE to develop. Okay, so in the interview they will ask like one more question, how many IDs you are using in your project? Sir, one project, one ID we will use. My experience on the Visual Studio Code. Even you can able to develop in the Node++, okay, Jupyter, Eclipse, whatever it is. What is the difference between those different IDs? Nothing. One company given, Microsoft given Visual Studio Code, Java given Eclipse, like that. Clear? Any questions? Okay, so tomorrow we'll start with the JavaScript basics, data types. It's not about the basics at mid and advanced. I will give one topic end to end, some base to advanced level. Can we close the session? Any questions?
Sir, ఇది ఈ క్లాస్ నిన్న సెషన్ కి కంటిన్యూషన్ అండి అది?
No, Naveen. Today we are having the new session. From the today only we started.
ఇప్పుడు రేపు మీరు చెప్పేది దీని కంటిన్యూషన్ అండి?
Tomorrow will be the continuation from today.
ఇప్పుడు ఈ రికార్డెడ్ సెషన్ పెడతారండి నెంబర్?
Yeah. Even you have taken the notes, right? Yeah, I will share you this recording. Even in the session, parallelly, please take the notes from tomorrow. Okay. After the session, I will add it just to go through the recording, okay, and have a notes. Any questions, please let me know. And everybody complete the setup. Any questions?
Sorry, Krishna.
Yeah, Muni.
I have a doubt regarding that compilers.
Yeah.
I told you
Already
in
I
the
have.
starting.
I know that. Wait. Any other questions? Okay.
ఎస్ సార్ ఇప్పుడు నాకు 2015 ఎంసీ అయిందండి.
Okay.
తర్వాత 2016 తర్వాత డిఈడి అంటే టీచింగ్ సైడ్ వెళ్ళాను అనమాట.
Okay.
ఇది సంబంధం లేదు, మరి ఇప్పుడు నేను రావడానికి అవుతుంది అంటారా?
Hope you understand today's session, right? From the base to advanced level, I will explain you. No need to worry. Just to have a 3 to 4 hours of practice, you will get it.
ప్రాజెక్ట్ డెవలప్ చేసి తర్వాత ఎలాగ అప్రోచ్ అవ్వాలి, జాబ్ గ్యాప్
I will guide you everything. No need to worry. Once a call to me. Okay. After 5 minutes, we'll have a call. Okay. We'll discuss.